Hi you guys, it's Mila from Munchkin Time, and today for dinner we're making creamy baby potatoes and spicy grilled shrimp. In the mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of olive oil, 5 or 7 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of hot pepper sauce, 1/4 cup of cilantro, a juice from 1 large lemon, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons of oregano. Now give it a good stir. Reserve 1/3 of a cup of marinade for later. Next, add 2 pounds of shrimp and marinate for about 2 hours. Next, let's soak our wooden skewers in water. Just fill them up with water and set aside. Next, grill shrimp on high heat for about 5 minutes on each side. Basting would remain marinade using a brush. Cover shrimp with foil paper to keep warm, and now let's make our creamy potatoes. While potatoes are cooking, let's make our creamy sauce. Into the skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, and cook for about 1 minute. Add 2 cups of onion. Saute it for about 5 minutes, then add 2 cups of carrots and saute it for another 5 minutes. Next, add 1 tablespoon of flour. Stir that in, then add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, add 1/4 cup of parsley. Give it a good mix and add your cooked baby potatoes. Mix everything until combined. Serve with grilled shrimp and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed recipes like this, and like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!